I'm Phil, and welcome to the BlueBear Daily AI News Brief. We're covering what's happening in AI development and tech. Recent reports indicate artificial intelligence is significantly affecting employment opportunities for recent graduates. According to a study by Oxford Economics, unemployment rates among young graduates have risen disproportionately compared to national average. The study suggests that AI is beginning to replace entry-level white-collar jobs, a trend some are calling white-collar recession. According to Axios, Matthew Martin, a senior economist at Oxford Economics, states there's a lot of concern AI is eliminating entry-level white-collar positions, and I think it's just some of the first evidence that we're seeing. This shift challenges the long-standing perception of computer science degree as a secure career path, potentially leading to decline in the number of tech graduates in the future. In the realm of AI investments, Chinese AI company DeepSeek has rolled out a new version of its flagship model DeepSeek R1, now updated to version 0528. According to reporting from Bloomberg, the company states that the new release offers substantial improvements in reasoning depth, inference capabilities, and hallucination reduction. The model now uses an average of 23,000 tokens per question in benchmark tests like AIME 2025, up from 12,000 in the previous version, boosting its performance from 70% to 87% accuracy. The update also introduced algorithmic optimization mechanisms during post-training and deeper reasoning pipelines, putting its performance on par with premium offerings like OpenAI's O1 and Google Gemini's 2.5 Pro. As noted, the official model card on Hugging Face, the model is fully open weight, although critics on Hacker News point out that while weights are open, DeepSeek has not disclosed its training data sources, prompting some to categorize this model as open weights rather than a fully open source model. As Hacker News user Jacob019 put it, it's available from 7 providers through OpenRouter. Its 671 parameters is a total 37 billion active in each inference paths. However, another user pointed out that there's no sign of source material it was trained on, raising ongoing transparency concerns in the OpenAI community. Despite these debates, developers are excited by the model's broader compatibility and availability across several major platforms. The model includes better support for function calling and significant improved experience for developers who are using it for vibe coding, while the AI assists in generating code from descriptive prompts. The release of DeepSeek R1 further solidifies DeepSeek's ambition to compete in top tier of foundation model developers, offering an increasingly viable open-weight alternative to proprietary model. Meta Platforms have partnered with defense technology company Anduril Industries to develop AI-powered military products. The collaboration aims to design and build a range of integrated extended reality products that provide warfighters with enhanced perception and design-making capabilities. According to Bloomberg, this partnership reflects a growing intersection between advanced technology companies and defense initiatives, raising discussions about the role of AI in military applications. A recent article from The Information discusses the risk associated with vibe coding, a practice where developers rely heavily on AI tools to generate code based on simple text prompts. While this approach can boost productivity, it may lead to code that doesn't work as expected or introduces security vulnerabilities. The report emphasizes the importance of maintaining rigorous testing and validation processes, even when leveraging AI-assisted coding tools, to ensure the integrity of security of software applications. Nvidia reported a strong financial quarter despite facing challenges due to new export controls imposed by the Trump administration. The company stated that these controls cost Nvidia $2.5 billion in lost sales in April and are projected to result in an additional $8 billion loss in the second quarter. This situation highlights the complex dynamics between technological innovation, international trade policies, and their impact on major tech companies. That's all for today's BlueBear Daily News Brief. Stay tuned for more updates on AI, coding, and tech developments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to stay informed. I'm Phil Joe, and I'll see you on the next episode.